Happy Sloppy Saturday, boys and girls. It's Boston, baby!
Well, we got the draft arms and the dolly legs all done today. As good as they're gonna get done, boys.
Oh, for fuck's sake, Sharon, I think they look fabulous.
Now, I reckon we'll hit all that stainless on the back. It's kind of cool how old white Dr. Fluffy McGillicuddy and the blue Marpearl freshens up that old raunchy stainless steel back here. Damn it, boy. I don't know how in the hell King of Bling keeps his shop so clean and pretty. Mine's a fracking disaster after polishing. Shit, doggies! That makes me harder than Japanese arithmetic, boys. How about it?
We're gonna look really good tomorrow for the first mile or so till it gets all shitted up.
Now I'm sure everybody's gonna say, "Bruh, why is that light bar bent down?"
Cause it's been, I ain't gonna lie, if you saw yesterday's video, I was really struggling with those draft arms and dolly legs. And they are not even close to perfect. And if you see this thing at Matt's and the sun hits it just right, and you see all the hash marks and lines, and you're gonna like, bruh, who polished that shit? I did it. I am sorry. Went over and fed the dogs. Shit never gets old with Josie and Shaggy.
And there goes JoJo. I'll be a son of a bitch. Blister found the air leak.
In about 5 minutes.
Wiggle it. It was more than 5 minutes. That one line broke going into the top of the airbag. Mm-hmm. Blister, you the king.
Mm-hmm. I hate it when that little son of a bitch shows me up.
You want me to unplug these cords and shit so you got room to work down there or what?
Just relax.
Jesus, this kid.
Ask gas or sass, we had to break out the brass, boys.
I got boxes and boxes and boxes and more boxes of brass.
Sharon, you can never have enough fucking brass.
You need some help?
No.
Good. Blister, I knew it was in that suspension somewhere.
Well, yeah, if you fracking looked, you would have found it.
A shop full of polishing tumbleweeds and one cocky dickweed.
Today was an awesome day. I got all the polishing done for Matt's. Blister found the air leak. Now we're gonna have a little shine.
Now it's time to shine.
Unfortunately, I made a carbon copy of myself, but I love him to death. I'll see you sons of bitches later.